Hey everyone! If your videos keep getting the video moderated error in Grok AI, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through a few quick and easy fixes to get things working again. Just follow each step carefully. First, check your internet connection. Before anything else, make sure your connection is stable. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. If you're already using mobile data, switch back to Wi-Fi or try a different network. You can also turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off again. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons this error appears. Now, let's clear the app's cache. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Next, select Manage Apps or All Apps, depending on your device. At the top, tap the search bar and type Grok AI, then open it from the list. Inside the App Info page, tap Storage. Here's the important part. Tap Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache and confirm by tapping OK. This removes temporary files or corrupted data that might be causing the moderation issue. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or your content, it just refreshes the app's stored data. Once that's done, go back to your home screen. Now, open the Google Play Store and search for Grok AI. Tap the search bar at the top and type Grok AI. When the app appears, check if there's an update button. If an update is available, update the app completely. Updates often include bug fixes that can solve this problem. Go back and reopen the Grok AI app and check if the video moderated problem is gone. And that's it. After completing these steps, your video moderated issue should be fully fixed. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes.